Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to register for the Google Cloud Facilitator Program as a student, and more importantly, how to claim your free Google Cloud credits. This is an amazing opportunity for students to upskill with cloud technologies and earn swags along the way. So let's dive in. First, open the facilitator enrollment form. I have added the link in the description below. Now, this facilitator program is a subpart of Arcade, where you can level up your cloud learning and earn bonus points to unlock better swags. So I highly recommend creating a Google Cloud Skill Boost account and subscribe to Arcade before filling the form. If you are not sure how to do that, I have linked a separate video in the description and check that out. Come back to continue. Let's begin. Choose the email you use to create your Skill Boost account. If you are signed into a different email, switch to the correct one. Now tick the checkbox. Scroll down to preview some goodies from past seasons and click Next. You will now see the term and condition. Read them carefully. Then select Yes, I accept the terms, and then click Next. Use the same email as your Skills Boost account. Enter your name, select your gender, and then select your country. Now choose your role like student, developer, or other. Now select your graduation year. If you have a facilitator referral code, then select yes. If you don't have, then simply select no and move on and click on next. Enter your referral code. Now it will ask you if you have a Google Cloud Skill Boost account. If you followed my previous video, you already do. Choose yes, then select your current badge status. Then click on next. Now you need to paste your public profile link from your Google Cloud Skill Boost account. Here's how to find it. Click the link mentioned on the form. Click on join at the top right corner. Sign in with your Google account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on settings. Scroll down and then copy your public profile link and paste it in the form. And make sure there is no extra space. And click next. Now check the acknowledgement boxes and click submit. That's it, you have successfully submitted the form. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive an email to claim your free credits. As I mentioned earlier, you will receive an email like this. Congratulations, you are now enrolled in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program. Once you receive this email, here's how to proceed. Scroll down. Copy your unique access code without any extra spaces, because if you copy any extra spaces and paste it there, it will give you an error. After copying that, open that unique link in incognito mode. Now paste the code, complete the CAPTCHA and click on submit. Now at the top right corner you'll see join button. Click on that and sign in with your Google account link to your Skill Boost account. Now we need to complete one quick lab called a tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab. Click on the lab. Here is all the instruction that is needed to complete the lab. First of all, let's click on start lab. Username and password is provided by Google. Copy the username and click on open Google Cloud Console and open that in new tab. Then paste the username. Then come back again to the lab instructions, copy the password and paste it and click on next. Click on I understand. Click on the checkbox and click agree and continue. Come back to the lab instruction and scroll down. Task 1 is access the cloud console. We have already accessed. Then second is the view project. Verify project ID. You can check your project ID there. So we have verified the project ID. Scroll down. Third task, we need to modify the role permissions. So what we need to do is we need to first go to the IAM. For that we'll go to Google Cloud Console, hover on IAM and admin, then click on IAM. Click on grant access, come back to lab instruction, copy the identifier, come back to the cloud console and paste it in new principal input box. Then we need to select the role as viewer. Click on select a role. Click on viewer. Then click on save. Here you will see that new role is created. Click on check my progress. The fourth one is to enable API and services. So we need to navigate to the API and services. Go back to the cloud console. Click on the 3 vertical line at the top left corner. Hover on API and services. Then click on library. Then search Dialogflow API. Click on it. Again click on it. And click on enable. It will take some time. When you see status as enabled, come back to lab instructions and click on check my progress. Fifth task is end your lab. But don't end your lab immediately after you finish, because you have to spend at least 6 minutes in the lab before ending it. Otherwise, credits won't be awarded. As I have already spent more than 6 minutes, so I can click on end lab. Click on end lab. If you want, you can give rating. You can skip it as well. Once done, return to your profile. Click on your profile. You will see 44 credit or 9 credit. As I am a part of innovator program, therefore I have 44 credit. Now if you click on refresh and check again, you will see 609 credits or 644 if you are also part of the innovator program. Now if you are facing any issue or have questions about the arcade or the labs, feel free to join my Telegram community. Link is in the description. That's it. You have now claimed your 600 free credit. Start completing labs, earn badges and grab some swags, all while learning Google Cloud. If this video helped you, like, comment and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.